It's my Ed with Jeff. Seriously, it's my Ed with Jeff. Okay, why isn't it taking a picture? Oh, it's taking a video. Modifying your assignment list in MyEd BC. We're back here looking at the assignment screen for our new Media 11 class. And when we created our list of assignments, we created some of them public and some of them private. That's because we haven't entered marks for all of them yet, so we don't want the students to see and parents to see assignments that don't have marks in the columns. But it is sometimes cumbersome, go back through each assignment to make it public. So rather than doing that, I'm going to show you a fast and easy way to make changes to this list. So we're in Gradebook top tab, Assignments side tab, and one of the options that we have is to modify list. When we click modify list, you'll see that there becomes a pencil under each name, right? So this allows us to quickly modify everything in our gradebook very quickly. So for example, if we wanted to change visibilities, we could just simply go to that one and change everything to public. Now, parents, if they're on the portal, and students can see those assignments and access their grades. If you don't want them to see the grades, then you can select public with no grades. And then you simply click the green checkbox to save assignments. Another thing that often happens is that we forget to set a due date, and that causes students to see many overdue assignments. These can be quickly edited right here. So if we wanted to change, for example, all of these have the same due date or similar due dates because of the time that I created them. I forgot to set a due date here, so I'm just going to make them the same as the other assignments in that thing. And there's also a handy dandy calendar here for you to do the same thing. And again, you press the OK key. If you want to change this from all of these assignments being created on the same day to the date that they're assigned, obviously you can make changes there. And of course, you can change the column name. For example, let's say there's an error there, root 2. Or if you add an assignment and you have a sequencing error. But it does check with you every time. And when you're finished editing all these things, you just click on the side tab again, and now all the assignments are public. That's how you mass update the list in Gradebook, and it's a great way to or modify the list in Gradebook, and it's a great way to keep your Gradebook organized and your assignments in order. The other option that you have for this is in your assignment tab, there is a column called sequence number. And you can change the number, the sequence, so that assignments appear in order that you want them to. So if you wanted this one to be 3, oh, we didn't save, my bad. Okay. And you go back to this one, change it to 2. Okay, so we can clearly see that Jeff needs to practice his saves. Okay. And nobody's perfect. These videos are certainly evidence of that. So we need to make sure we save for that. And now when we go back to looking at our list of assignments, we'll see that they're still showing up exactly the same. But if we were to set ourselves a filter, then we could start with creating a query and have them, there is a column, a sequence number that will allow us to order them that way. Okay, why isn't it taking a picture? Oh, it's taking a video.